Hey guys, how's it going? So the title of the video is gonna be I'm broke. Well, not mentally, but like I'm not liquid in cash anymore. I got a little greedy and I've been going on a buying spree for the past 2 days. I've been buying way more than I've been selling, and now I'm a little worried. Like, if something bad was to happen, I won't have any money to buy shit. So yeah, I'm definitely worried that I'm out of cash. So yeah, I'm broke and I'm hurting for money right now. I do have a stock I can sell for some cash. Loblaws. I'm up on it quite dramatically. I can also take a loss on some stocks too if I really wanted the cash to put it into another stock. Just saying. So this is my review of San Rafael Purple Credo. This is actually one of my favorite cannabis products. It's cool because when you take it out into the sunlight, the bud like I have no more left. This is just an empty container. I've already smoked all of it, but this is my favorite. It's cool because when you take it out into the sunlight, the cannabis becomes purple. Because you put it in the sunlight, the whole green bud, the bud will become pure purple, and that's really cool, I think. And then on top of that, I really like the smell of it, and I really like the taste of it. I'm sad that I have no more. All the good ones always run out on me, and now I have to wait and hope they come back with some inventory in the next, I don't know, like week or 2 weeks. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. If you haven't tried it yet, check it out. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. This is my favorite cannabis dry buds right now. I haven't found anything better than this yet, but if I do, I'll let you guys know. So, New Age Beverage had a huge decline today. After hours is up 8 cents. Why did it have a big decline today? Because it raised $45 million by diluting their stock by 12.9 million shares, and at a price of $3.50. I mean, that's a really good deal for the person that is doing the offering to New Age. It's not, I mean, New Age Beverage, not that great of a deal, but they need capital to execute on this strategy, so they need the money. And you know, I really like the CEO of this company. I might do a more dedicated video on New Age Beverage on the weekend, because I need ideas to make videos. So definitely gonna be coming up with some kind of video for New Age Beverage. Maybe, I don't know, depends how motivated I am. Man, it's gonna be a long week. The markets are gonna be closed on Monday, so wait, hold on. Is Monday a holiday? My friend was telling me that Monday was a holiday. I need to look that up. Okay, you know what? November 12th. Remembrance Day. Remembrance Day is on a Sunday, which leads to some confusion on how the holiday is treated across Canada. Federal situation. All federal government offices will be closed. Isn't Aurora announcing the earnings on November 12th? Because I'm pretty sure they are. New Cannabis Ventures. Aurora will be hosting first quarter 2009 investor conference on November 12th, 2018. And that's Remembrance Day. So is the stock market going to be open or closed? Oh man, that's weird. I don't know. I guess it doesn't matter at the end of the day. We'll figure. I mean, we will see what will happen. I guess. So, Planet 13 also raised some money, but the stock price is going back to where it raised. I think Planet 13 got a way better deal than maybe, I don't know. Hold on. No, they got about $3. Yeah, no, they got about a pretty good, the same deal as new age beverages. New Age Farm, that stock kind of took off a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna continue to go on. I wish I still had my 100,000 shares. I only have 100,000 shares in this company. It sounds like a lot, but it's not, because it's in the penny ranges. But the stock could still potentially make me a lot of money. We'll see what happens down the road. I was trying to add more. I was hoping the stock was going to go to 7 cents. I tried to buy the stock at 7 cents, never worked. Maybe I should have bought it at like 8 cents or something. Definitely would have bought it, but yeah, whatever. I was aiming for as low as possible for the stock, but it might take off of me now, and I might miss that opportunity to buy back into New Age. I don't know if this company is a scam. This might be a complete scam company, because they don't actually have a real website. I can't find very much information on this company. But I know it's been around for a while. I don't know why it's taking off when the weed market is like kind of declining right now. Who knows? Maybe people are just pumping their money in it. There was some news regarding this, but there's a lot of news that gets released on this company. I don't know if it's real or fake or what's up with this company, but they don't even have a real website, so it's a little concerning to me. Apple declined back to 204, and it's going to be heading down lower. There was some news about Apple not selling as much high-end smartphones, and that's like the manufacturers that make the Apple iPhones, like high-end phones, they are saying that they're cutting back on production, and Apple relies on them to buy iPhones, so that kind of tanked Apple stock, because less iPhone sales, and that's another reason why Apple is hiding the fact how many iPhones they sell now. So they are worried about the numbers of iPhones going forward, because they know that the market is saturated and people don't care too much about phones anymore. So I mean, a phone is a must-have, but at the end of the day, people don't really it's like the norm now. It's like not having your wallet with you, and Apple and everybody has a wallet, so, and not as many people are upgrading as they used to back in the day, because phones are pretty much being they're pretty good right now. I mean, they've been it's hard to increase the power of a cell phone. Like, if you had a phone 3 years ago, then yeah, an upgrade would make sense, or 5 years ago. But if you had a phone from 1 or 2 years ago, then it makes no sense to upgrade. A phone can last for 5 years now, or at least 3 or 4 years now. So I know my parents who have phones that are 5 years old and they're still using it. So, and they're not bitching about an upgrade. So that's just saying that phones are kind of steeping out. They're not really rising anymore. Maybe when the 5G comes out, Apple will have a rise again, but that's not for another 1 or 2 more years. So I think Apple's going to be in a volatile state. Activision Blizzard, I could have made some money off this. I don't know if the stock can continue back to $60, but I could have bought it at $54, sold it off at $57, made a 5% profit, sold off and ran my money, but I didn't. I took the fact that I was gonna wait on the stock and not buy it, because I will be doing a more dedicated video on Activision Blizzard in the week. I don't think it's gonna do very well, but I'll still do a dedicated video on it. CanTrust. I bought some CanTrust today. I bought another 1,000 shares because the stock declined back to where I thought was a reasonable price. So I picked up some, but I'm really scared right now because like the market could I don't know if Monday is gonna be an open market because it's Remembrance Day, but Aurora is announcing their earnings report on November 12th, and if it's not good, we'll all remember that one, right? It's gonna be a memorable day when Aurora announces their earnings report. Ha, joke. And CanTrust is also reporting within that week too. And CanTrust has quite a bit of inventory if you look at the balance sheet. So I think their number is going to be pretty decent. Just saying. One more thing about CanTrust. I heard that like CanTrust kind of messed up. They sold too much to the rec market, and then when the medical patients called in, they said they had no more product. That's not a good sign. You know, this is also not a good sign. It's 6:04 right now. The market's closed, and Aurora stock's in red. Canopy stock in red. Afria stock in red. Not a good sign for Monday. Aurora's earnings report is gonna be the turning factor. It's gonna be announced on November 12th, which is Remembrance Day, so we'll all remember it. Tilray, surprisingly, Tilray's up, unless it's down. Oh, Tilray's up, so everything's down but Tilray. Wonder why. Maybe because Tilray's already tanked so much that, you know, that it's just doing a little rise. Or there's some kind of internal news that's rising the stock. I have no idea. Nope, I don't know. It's, you know, the stock could decline back to $8 if Aurora doesn't deliver on the numbers, and we'll all remember it because it's Remembrance Day. I hope you guys found that a little bit funny. And I'm gonna end it off with some Tesla. Tesla stock. What the hell? Oh yeah, okay, I'm broke. Tesla stock is you know, I couldn't buy any more Tesla stock even though I want. I guess I could. I still have a little bit of money left, but most of my money's gone, and I'm not happy about it. But that's life. But you know, Tesla. At least Tesla's not declining. Right now I don't want it to decline because it looks nice when it's in the green in my portfolio. You know, it could happen. I mean, I would try to if it went back to 300, I would definitely try to find some money to buy into Tesla again. I guess it depends on what caused Tesla stock to decline. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe for future updates and give me a thumbs up. See you later. Bye.